Hey everybody, today G Jr. went to an estate sale and picked up this Shop-Vac 700, Williamsport, Pennsylvania. Look at this unit. It has to be from the 70s. So it includes some free birdseed, or eaten birdseed. So anyway, so he picked this up at a estate sale. The switch is broken, but somebody ingeniously put a screw in it. So let's for ha-has, let's turn it on. We have it plugged in. Oh yeah. As the bird seed flies. So let's go ahead and open it up here. Let's take a look inside. Okay. Ready? There we go. All right, so the motor and everything is plastic, but the bottom seems to be steel, and it came, obviously he was doing woodworking with it. So there is one hose. Oh, here's another hose. So we got two hoses and a bunch of
little attachments.
Yeah, attachments and more bird seed and more wood. So our other Shop-Vac at the station was another Shop-Vac brand, plastic ones, probably from the, I would say probably the 90s, and it was the motor went at south on it. So for $10, this motor sounds good. We're gonna clean this bad boy up, and yeah, look at that. Just look at that bad unit. I don't think I've ever seen a metal one like this. This will be a great addition to the shop because our other one blew up. All right, everybody, just a quick one. I just wanted to show you what we got for $10 at an estate sale. Anything you want to add?
I've never seen one that is metal.
Yeah.
Thick metal.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my and more videos.